Hey guys, so today we're going to put our hair up and square up and do some makeup, and since it's Pride Month, it seems only fitting that I show some love to WWE's openly lesbian wrestler, Sonya Deville. So if you want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. Having already done my foundation and eyebrows, I'm going in with NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk as a base for my eyeshadow and using the warmth from my fingertips to blend it out. I'm starting by applying a greyish brown shadow called Pudding from Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette and stamping that colour on the outer corner of my eye in a V shape. And then going in to blend that shadow out with a clean fluffy brush, blending the shadows into a wing shape. Then dipping into a colour called Truffled, which is a warm brown shade, using a fluffy brush and blending it into the inner third of the crease and connecting it to the outer wing. If you're like me and have hooded eyelids, you can blend the shadows up higher towards your brow bone, and this will help your eyes to appear larger. And then going back to that greyish brown and just smudging it under my lower lash line. I'm then going in with a colour called Hot Fudge and using that to deepen and define the outer corner. And then blending that out with a fluffy brush. I'm also running some of that shadow under my lower lash line. Then with a flat brush I'm applying a pale shadow that is a few shades lighter than my own skin tone to the inner half of my lid to help brighten up the look. I'm then lining my upper and lower waterline with a black pencil eyeliner. I'm then lining my upper lash line with a black felt tip liner and drawing a cat eye. Start off small, and if you want to make the line bolder, you can draw a thicker line if you wish. I'm then using the colour Butter Pecan, which is a soft shimmering gold colour, to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm then applying black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm using a fluffy powder brush to contour my face using a slightly deeper shade than what I usually would, but I'm using a really light touch so that it isn't super harsh. And then going over the areas which are contoured, using a bronzer to add some warmth and dimension back into the face. To highlight my cheeks, cupid bow and tip of my nose, I'm using Illamasqua's highlighting powder in Deity. This is going to add a soft, subtle golden glow. And then to finish off this look, I'm using a lipstick that typically is not the sort of colour that I would wear, but I feel it's a very Sonya Deville colour, and that lipstick is NYX's Liquid Suede in Brooklyn Thorn.